Follow the step on how to make a spiral sun icon like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a new document. You can follow this artboard size. First, activate Polar Grid tool. You can set it like this. Press A, select and delete half. Press O. Click and copy reflect. Move like this. Select and ungroup. Delete this. Select. Go to Properties and click the flip icon. Press Ctrl J to join the line. Open the stroke option and change profile. Set stroke thickness. Use the width tool to custom. Make vertical and horizontal line. Set to center. Right-click and make guides. Make line here. And set the stroke. Lock temporarily this object. Select and press R. Hold Alt and click center. Set the angle and click copy. Press Ctrl D to repeat. Group the object. Select, Effect, Distort, Roughen. Set it like this. Unlock all. And add roughen effect to the spiral object. Hide guides. Select all, go to Object and expand Appearance. Group. Go to Pathfinder. Click Option icon and make compound shape. Go to Fill, Library, Gradient and Metals. Select a gold color and set gradient angle. Make rectangle for the background. Right-click, arrange and send to back. Finish. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.